Hi, I'm NASA Kennedy's Kevin Montalvo, and I'll be taking you inside KSC. NASA announced plans to work with American companies to design and develop new reusable systems for astronauts to land on the moon's surface. The agency issued its formal request for proposals on February 7th. This effort is part of NASA's second Next Space Technologies for Exploration Partnerships. The agency is planning to test new human-class landers on the lunar surface beginning in 2024, with the goal of sending crew to the surface in 2028. Inside Kennedy's Launch Abort system facility, workers assembled the Orion Launch Abort system that will be used for a full stress test called Ascent Abort-2. During the test, the fully functional Launch Abort system and Orion test vehicle will launch atop a Northrop Grumman-provided Ascent test booster from Space Launch Complex 46 at Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. The Abort system and Orion test vehicle will fly to an altitude of 31,000 feet at more than 1,000 miles per hour. The test will prove that the Abort system can steer the crew module and astronauts aboard to safety in the unlikely event of an issue with the Space Launch System rocket. And remember, Spaceport magazine digs deeper inside KSC.